Hi, I'm Jimmy Chang, and we're here to talk about how to solve Algebra 1 factor problems. Now, there's a lot of scenarios involving factoring when it comes to Algebra 1, so let's get right into it in terms of talking to you about some of the methods. Now, first, it's the GCF method. GCF stands for greatest common factor. Now, when you have something like 3x plus 15, for example, you want to think about what do they have in common, and they both have a 3 in common, so you can factor out the greatest common factor, which is 3 times x plus 5. More often than not, you'll be asked to factor things of the trinomial variety. For example, if you have x squared plus 8x plus 15, you're going to have parentheses going forward. You have x squared breaks up into x, and then factors of 15 that add to give you 8 are going to be 3 and 5, and then there's addition. Now, as time goes on, you'll be asked to factor some additional scenarios, and that would be, for example, the perfect square trinomials. In other words, if you have x squared plus 4x plus 4, factors of 4 that add to give you 4 will be x plus 2, x plus 2 as well. Now, with perfect squares, the parentheses will match. So that's why, because there's 2 of these, you have x plus 2 quantity squared. And lastly, that we're going to talk about in terms of factoring is the difference of two squares, where if you have, for example, x squared minus 36, the idea here is that the parentheses will almost match. X squared breaks up into x and x. Now, factors of 36 that add to give you nothing in here is going to be 6 and 6, plus and minus. Now, these are just a few of the factoring strategies in Algebra 1, and as you learn those methods, you'll be able to see them in greater detail. So, I'm Jimmy Chang, and that's how to solve factoring problems in Algebra 1.